Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable power station that this man sent to me for this video. I tried it already, and I think this one could be really cool if you are into camping, hiking, fishing, just going to the beach with friends and family, or just many other things that you need power on the go. This one is a 266 watt hour, meaning that this one's going to give you enough power to your devices outdoors, your phone, your tablet, your computer. But not only that, it also comes equipped with two USB-C ports that are 24 and 18 watts. So that's going to give you fast charge. So let's say that you are camping and you're taking this one with you, which by the way, is not super big at all. It's not super big, but it's kind of heavy a little bit. So that actually translates into good quality, meaning that it's power inside this one. But I was just telling you that if you run out of battery on your phone or something like that, and you are out in the wild, or you're fishing or camping or something like that, you can give fast charge to your devices. So that is really important. Let's take a closer look so you can see this one better. It's a plug right now. It's charging, but it doesn't have to be charging at all because this one packs the battery with itself with the device. So you can see that I can carry it on without any issues with this handle. I do like that it comes with some really nice ventilation on the sides. And also right here, you're going to find a flashlight. So this is a really good thing to have, and also a strobe, an emergency light, an SOS sign. So again, pretty good one to have if you are going out camping or hiking or fishing or things like that. And then right here, you're going to find the AC input to charge it. You're going to find a 12 volt port over here for like your car or things like that. You're also going to find an AC output. And then this is what I was just telling you before. You're going to have two USB-A's and two USB-C, which this one is 24 watts and this one is 18 watts. I do like this one, how compact it is, but how versatile and powerful it can be for charging things on the go. Like this one, for example, I'm going to actually plug the phone, which is plugged on the actual power station and plugged in already, and it's charging already. You're not going to have any issues with this. You can see that it's totally plugged to the power station. Again, versatile, compact, yet powerful, and tons of ports and features to make this one to be one of the good ones for power on the go, on camping, hiking, fishing, a short trip or something like that. This one, check it out because it could be a really good one to have.